god. The clearances are so tight. Oh, this plumbing needs to be gone before we can reinstall our shit. Oh my god. There's no HVAC over here. This is going to take me half a day just to draw this up before we can start ripping it out. Got an offset right here. Oh yeah, these walls gotta come out. We got a duct up there. All these strappings need to come out. All these pot lights need to come out. Turn air sheets need to come down. Wow. This is fucking phenomenal. You want to quit bulk yet? You want to quit bulk tomorrow? Are you only working out there? I'm working tomorrow. Jeff's working tomorrow. No, he doesn't care about that one for once.
I pretty much don't care about any of them. Oh yeah, it's just another day I can't work.
Yeah, that's the way I look at it too. Got an 8-inch combustion air, 3 4-inch fresh airs. No idea what the insulation is up there. No idea. I'm gonna have to like study this video before I reinstall this. Tweed bevel there. Jim, do you want to go with the main floor how high up the water went on the main floor?
Yeah.
5-inch runs, pretty straightforward there. Bath flags. Dryer vent. Got a dryer vent hiding over here.